Everywhere we go, people will see Kenny all the time. They say, "That's Kenny from the Alexa videos."
Alexa, make a fart noise.
That was a triumphant one.
I would never in my lifetime think I would be that famous on social media.
See ya all over the place.
Thank you. My name is Patriotic Kenny, and this is Amanda, my press secretary and my crew chief.
Aye, aye, Captain.
And this is the story about how Alexa helped me get 2 million followers on TikTok.
Tic Tac. Tic Tacs, those candies. Alexa, find a meatloaf recipe.
Okay, for meatloaf, here's a few recipes.
One day we were in my kitchen and I asked Alexa a question, and when I asked her, Kenny did a, where is this voice coming from?
I was flabbergasted. I didn't know what to think. I'm 80 years old and I ain't got no experience in technology, none whatsoever.
We made a lot of videos about Kenny using Alexa because people love seeing an 80-year-old man named Kenny use Alexa. Millions of views. I don't even know the number anymore. Okay. So after Kenny came to my home and used Alexa, I decided to set up Alexa in his home as well. And recently I had an idea to sneak into Kenny's apartment and take off his light bulbs that he has and connect some smart bulbs for Alexa. Because Kenny has terrible light switches in his home. This light does this one and this switch does that, and then you have to go clear across the apartment to flip another switch, and they're really confusing. What if I had another idea?
Yeah?
To fix all your problems with these lights. What if I could say like, Alexa, turn off the lights?
Yes!
Okay,
Or what if I could say like, Alexa, turn on the lights?
okay.
When Alexa did that for me, I almost fell over and hit the floor. I don't believe this. I got down and I almost passed out. I couldn't believe this technology. Alexa, would you please turn the lights off?
Okay,
Alexa, thank you so much.
you are so very welcome.
What can I say? I mean, I love it. I really do. I love that. Alexa,